ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ 12ोऽध्यायः। अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तम् तेषां के योगवित्तमाः।
Arjuna said, the devotees exclusively and constantly devoted to you in the manner stated just earlier adore you as possessed of form and attributes, and those who adore as the supreme reality only the indestructible unmanifest Brahman. Of these two types of worshippers, who are the best knowers of yoga?
Shri Bhagavanuvāca Maya mano ye mam nityayukta upasate shraddhaya parayopetaha te me yuktatama mataha.
Shri Bhagavan said, I consider them to be the best yogis, who endowed with supreme faith and ever united through meditation with me, worship me with the mind centered on me.
Etvaksharamanirdeshyam avyaktam paryupasate sarvatra gamachintyam cha kūtasthamachalam dhruvam sanniyam yendriyagramam सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः.
Those, however, who fully controlling all their senses and even-minded towards all and devoted to the welfare of all beings, constantly adore as their very self the unthinkable, omnipresent, indestructible, indefinable, eternal, immovable, unmanifest and changeless Brahman, they too come to me.
क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते.
Of course, the strain is greater for those who have their mind attached to the unmanifest, as attunement with the unmanifest is attained with difficulty by the body-conscious people.
ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्.
On the other hand, those who depending exclusively on me and surrendering all actions to me, worship me, constantly meditating on me with single-minded devotion, them, Arjuna, I speedily deliver from the ocean of birth and death, their mind being fixed on me.
श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागः त्यागात् शान्तिरनन्तरम्.
Knowledge is better than practice. Meditation on God is superior to knowledge, and renunciation of the fruit of actions is even superior to meditation. For peace immediately follows from renunciation.
Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitra karuna eva cha nirmamo nirahankaraha samadukka sukakshami santushta satatam yogi yatatma drida nishchayaha मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
He who is free from malice towards all beings, friendly and compassionate, rid of I and mine, balanced in joy and sorrow, forgiving by nature, ever contented and mentally united with me, nay, who has subdued his mind, senses and body, has a firm resolve, and has surrendered his mind and reason to me, that devotee of mine is dear to me.
अस्मान्नो द्विजते लोकाः लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगै मुक्तो य स च मे प्रियः.
He who is not a source of annoyance to his fellow creatures, and who in his turn does not feel vexed with his fellow creatures, and who is free from delight and envy, perturbation and fear, is dear to me.
अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्ष उदासीनो गतव्यतः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः.
He who wants nothing, who is both internally and externally pure, is wise and impartial, and has risen above all distractions, and who renounces the sense of doership in all undertakings, such a devotee of mine is dear to me.
यो न हृष्यति न त्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्य स मे प्रियः.
He who neither rejoices nor hates, nor grieves nor desires, and who renounces both good and evil actions and is full of devotion, is dear to me.
समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जितः तुल्या निन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः.
He who deals equally with friend and foe, and the same in honor and ignominy, who is alike in heat and cold, pleasure and pain, and other contrary experiences, and is free from attachment, he who takes praise and reproach alike, and is given to contemplation and is contented with any means of subsistence available, entertaining no sense of ownership and attachment in respect of his dwelling place, and is full of devotion to me, that person is dear to me.
एतु धर्म्यामृतमिदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धदानामत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः.
Those devotees, however, who partake in a disinterested way of this nectar of pious wisdom set forth above, endowed with faith and solely devoted to me, they are extremely dear to me.